Today we talk about how can you select, how can see your first trade on your trace app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go above this sign, click on it. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on threads into replace. You just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You just go down, you keep going down here. So then you come here to restricts, and here can you select here, you can see your restricts in this list here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.